We have crazy breaking news. The FDA is saying that cold medicine has been ineffective for over 40 years.
I beg your pardon?
So all of your favorite cold medicines like Dayquil, Mucinex, Sudafed, Robitussin, Theraflu is gonna be pulled from shelves once they actually vote on this. Because apparently we've been bamboozled for over 40 years. Is it just me, or is it crazy that it literally took the FDA 40 years to figure this out while all these pharmaceutical companies are making billions of dollars? So even if they don't pull them from the shelves, stop buying them because they truly don't help you. This is crazy. Tell me what you think in the comments.